Hi guys, this is Ala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I invite you to paint a beautiful Easter postcard in watercolors. For this we will need watercolor paper A6 size, watercolor paints, water, a paintbrush. I will be using number 4 Nova Synthetics by Da Vinci, and I'm using a glass. The glass I need for creating the round circle for the wreath that we will be painting. I applied the green color on the top of the glass to recreate the circled form of the wreath that I will be painting on this paper. And then I just apply this top of the glass on the paper and I recreate the circled form of the wreath. It is just an easy way to create this circle for the wreath and later on to apply the greenery outside of the line. What I do, I paint some leaves in green color and I mix the olive green with green color to create different greens on my wreath. Leave your creativity to flow and paint the leaves as you wish. You don't necessarily need to follow along with me. Once the greenery is done, I want to paint some flowers. First I will take the yellow color and I apply some dots to recreate some spring flowers on this wreath. Now I proceed with some pink color. I will take quinacridone rose for recreating some smaller flowers, and I use really easy flowers with 5 petals, nothing difficult. It is an illustration of a wreath, so we can even invent some flowers as we wish, the colors, the form, and so on. I add some pink color because I think that it is needed to have some popping up effect on this wreath. To make this wreath looking more festive, I add some dots and I add those with splattering effect. It is very simple. We take some color with lots of water on our paintbrush and with another object like for example pencil or a paintbrush or even finger, we add the dots. Very simple but really pleasant exercise. Once the paper dries, or if you want you can use a hair dryer to dry the work, we proceed with the second layer and I add some details. I took some carmine color, it is a red color, that it is very similar to pink, and I add some details on the flowers. I also take some yellow color to add more intensity on the flowers that I painted earlier. Remember that on the first layer we always paint with lots of water and the colors are very bright. Later on, once we want to add some intensity, we add more color and less water. As a last step, I take some green color to add more intensity to the greenery. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment below. Thank you, until the next time, bye!